Yeah, welcome back to Outback Tasmania, and we're just doing a bit of a yard cleanup, and we have little Charlie up the back again, so we're hoping he's learned his lesson and he won't try to do his Hogan's Heroes escape routine. And yeah, we're just enjoying the winter's day. It's about 45, they tell me, Fahrenheit. A little warmer in some parts of the island, but not here at this very minute. We've got a lot of underbrush and some logs to get down. I'll get all them down before we get the chainsaw. But just looking at this, we have this little dive vessel. Yeah, out here he's milling around. I think they're putting an underwater cable for power to connect to the mainland. I think this is the very first sign of that. There's a few divers in little boats going out off that vessel, and yeah, we've been watching them through the binoculars. But yeah, same old container ship in port, and the wood chips are still moving, and there's the pile of wood chips again, the famous Bernie wood chips. But check out that view, people, absolutely awesome. Here out the back, which is a play on words, Outback, but we've got all this land up here which is extremely, the camera doesn't do it justice how steep this really is, but I say that all the time. So alright, I'll continue cleaning up. I'll be back with you in a short area. Hogan's Heroes trying to find out. Oh, good jump, buddy. Trying to find out, is there a way into that mystery land where he went the other day, which was a pain in the rump shaker for me, let me tell you, through all those blackberries and thickets. But yeah, it's a Saturday morning. He's having a bit of fun. See if he can jump over. Let's have a look. What are you doing, buddy? Good boy. He's doing a slow crawl. Yeah, definitely doesn't do justice to the camera, to the slope of the land. Anyway, I will continue on my mission just to keep clearing land and keep tossing it down the hill so it's easier to access. It's just starting to roll. This one's pretty much, wasn't cut by me, this one's been around for a while. It's a bit light, it's hollow. This one I did cut. And being the prong, oh, this one needs to be cut up a couple more. Oh, gee, this one has got some weight in it. It won't roll good because of the extra thing. Let's see what happens. Oh, get over that edge there, will be alright. Having fun, up the back. Let's watch this guy. Oh man, I just want to go over the edge. Good boy, Charlie, give it a push, buddy. Okay, that side of it. Panthers. Not sure what this tree is, but Jesus, we cut it down. The wallabies were sort of hiding under it, and it's obviously, starting to come back. It's the same tree as this one, but these leaves are full of oil, and boy do they burn. They are full of oil and they go up like there's no one's business. A good firelighters actually. But yeah, we want to, neighbour was saying, yeah, we can prune the trees down, get a bit more light in here for winter. The sun is obviously low in winter. In summer, the sun comes over this direction and we get full sun in the backyard, which is awesome. But for winter, it is, because we're so low down the bottom of the world, down the south, towards the South Pole, for whatever reason, the sun starts rising here in summer, and as the weather changes, it starts rising like over this way towards the winter. So it's pretty unusual. Never really noticed it before without any sort of landmarks, you know, where we used to live. But with the ridge line here, you just see it come up in the mornings. In summer, in winter, it's straight over the black dot. We're going to move that little greenhouse to get it away from that tree. Going to probably come up to another couple of levels up. Oh, boys, seems to be happy about something. But he's living the dog's life out the back. Being an indoor dog, he sort of doesn't get the enjoyment of all the wonderful smells, and he's gonna be time for a bath when he goes back in. Here he comes. Come up there, buddy. That's the way. Keep climbing. I don't know what he's going to do there. We'll just let him do his business. Anyway, let's continue on. To all you gardeners out there, can someone tell me what sort of mushroom we have here? It is massive. Are they good enough to eat, the wild ones? Like, we've got them over here too. This has got a weird colour on top, like it's darkish, but are they edible? Let's go. Look at that. Just growing up the back here in the mulch of the leaf litter. Oh yeah, trying to clean it off that way, and then I'll bring the chainsaw up to try to finish it off over in this corner, because we need to fix that fence for one. But I think the holes that we plugged the other day on that last video, I think he's understood that he can't go out, but he's look at that, he's going over the back trail there, straight to that corner. And that's where he got out the other day. No. That leaning tree is still leaning. See how many videos it takes before that one finally falls. There's the root system there. It's hanging on, but he's gonna. It sort of does hook a bit. It goes on that lane, then it sort of hooks up. So with any luck, it mightn't do damage to that fence. Let's hope so anyway. Well, it's that time of the day. I better get down and watch a bit of Devil Dog and go on his live over there in Houston. Had a bit of fun talking with Devil Dog. If you get a chance, check his channel out. Absolute cool cat. As well as Webb's Web. We had Ralph there. But yeah, and there was Peaceful Dares. Tell you what, and there's nothing like a very cool, it's about 7 Celsius, what's that, 45 Fahrenheit. And just gonna sit out the back and fire up the fire pit. We've got a couple of days of rain coming, so we might as well get rid of these little twigs, have a bit of a fire, and yeah, enjoy the afternoon. Yep, you gotta love an outdoor fire. It's a cool, crisp day here. Oh, Charlie, he's down there. He wants to come up here, but we just gonna get rid of these little twigs and sticks while we can. 3 days of rain coming in. The old Victor's up there under the tarp. Got loads of sticks down from the top. The grass and the weeds are growing up here since the wallabies haven't come in. So, yep, sitting down out the back, relaxing. It's a Sunday afternoon now. Ooh, here goes. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a good way to spend your Sunday afternoon. Bit of a clean up, hang out with your mates on a live over there with Devil Dog over near Houston. Yeah, always a good way to spend the weekend this time of year. Yeah, I'm sort of glad to get them twigs down because we're going to have a whole heap more put down here. So whether you're living the life in a millionaire's row or you're in the outback in the cold, fire is the same. Keeps you warm. Keeps you alive in some circumstances. It's just something about a backyard fire pit. Just need some marshmallows and a couple of brewskis. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. This is Outback Tasmania. Until we meet again, it's always a great day in Tasmania.